President Buhari, I greet you. Nigeria, how did we get here? I hear say they want to rename Nigeria now. Whether UAE, or whatsoever. See, make I tell you now. Buhari, first of all, God will bless you, say, you know, say, problem in Nigeria. So, but your mind I can't tell you now, say, not be the name of Nigeria, not be the problem. The problem be say now when they handle her, that be the problem. See, if you like, carry Lamborghini engine, put for 30 car, now still 30 now with the see. You dey yes. So if you like, rest some house, go paint them, put designer for outside, inside not good, not good. You dey understand? So now see rest on. Please, as you acknowledge, say problem dey, what you go do? First of all, step down with Osinbajo. House of Assembly, make them dissolve one. May we restart again. Not be the name changing, not be we want it. If you like, tell people say my name na Tiger. If you not get it, you not go feel bite. You dey yes so. But look, that name when you dey propose, so stop am. Wetin you go do, you don't hold. Go to your village, Daura in Katsina State. Go back there. Osinbajo, go back to Lagos State. You understand? Nigeria, revolution they come. And these people don't they fear us. When I remember last year, end of SARS protest, it not go well with them. Even Tinubu, I see as it goes that time. When it go enter Paris, people won't even slap on there. It goes enter London. People, he had no hiding place for now. You don't understand? So, name changing not go change us. What you will want? People not the feel eat food again. People not the feel enter transportation again. Nigerians are dying of hunger. Nigerians are dying. Graduates are now like a church rat. No food for them.
No, sir.
You understand? See, in Nigeria, what everybody they do now, everybody don't they enter scam. Now scam people they do now because the country itself. 10,000 bill I said now 1 naira those days. Upon all the whole thing, how much teacher they receive? What be Nigeria minimum wage? How much? Nigeria minimum wage is just 30,000. How many states cannot pay? Yet, how much is $1 now? $1 is 500 and something naira in Nigeria. It means to say person who 500 naira now 13 naira. People are dying. Prostitutions are increasing on a daily basis. Armed robbery is increasing in Nigeria. Kidnappers are increasing in Nigeria on a daily basis. The only thing you think to do now is to change the name of Nigeria. As Kukuma knows a problem in Nigeria, why you not tell your Fulani men and Boko Haram made a step aside? So you sabi take action. The action is to take when it go just be like this and it not go ever affect anything in person's life. Please, Buhari, you don't hold. You know the feel read again. You know the feel give speech again. You know the grant interview. You dare your office there. Even some say you don't die. We don't know whether not true or false. Look, Nigerians, I dey beg una. I dey beg una. It is time we take to streets. You dey yes, so una remember what happened for Ghana that time when Rawlings killed a lot of past leaders. Today, Ghanaians are better than Nigeria. Anybody they say Ghana must go anymore? No, we are not saying Nigeria must go in Ghana. Go to Burkina Faso, country where my village better pass. Our women food here, they do ashawo. Go to Senegal, go Ghana. Please, Nigerians, we need to take to streets. Buhari, stop that name when you want change. Not be name we want it. Arrange economy. Touch Nigerian economy. Make sure things are good. Nigerians are like beggar everywhere. Why? Because everybody, any available thing, we do the wrong come up for our country. Because the country is not good. We are all tired. Buhari, please, settle Nigeria down and tell us you want to resign. 2023 will be problem. Tinubu, your matter they come for you. You dey hear so your matter they come for you. You see that presidency when you dey they not go work. United Nigeria, Africa, so. Wetin that one come it? Now that one go come a blind mercy. Now that one go come a graduate to get job. If you tell somebody say now you are a graduate in Nigeria, people they laugh you. What kind of foolish words you they talk? Why? Because the way we take position ourselves, we not deal well. All is not well with us. All is not well. I want make every state in Nigeria, the whole governor, the local government, all the world tell Buhari, please come up for office. Baba leave. Baba leave. Baba, you must go transfer. They say Baba not to go transfer. But now Baba go transfer. You dey yes, so because as I am, the complaint when I dey hear from my friends and family in Nigeria, I'm tired. How much a cup of rice? Cup of rice in Nigeria is dear past Europe. If you go check the workers, they are receiving how much? Nothing. How much be bag of gari? How much be bag of rice? Bag of beans is more than 100,000 naira in Nigeria. When will Nigeria start eating well? Go check. Majority of your friends who live in Nigeria, their face don't dry. They don't old past old men. Why? It's not easy for them. Women are not getting husband anymore. Husbands are not getting wife because women don't want to settle for poor men. And men do not want to settle in one room. Please, we get big problem. And we can tackle this problem in a very, very good way. But the way we are following it is very, very awkward. It's very, very horrible. We are not going to get better if we do not change ourselves. We need to affect life. We need to implement good policies. That's the only way Nigeria will be getting better. Okay, if Nigeria does not implement something that we measure it affects the environment, man will remain idle. The only people who are bombing in Nigeria are the politicians. Even businessmen are struggling to do business. Imagine if you import something come for abroad. 100 euro now is more than 60,000 naira in Nigeria. If you import something come, person when they receive 30,000 as minimum wage, now one can take her. Why police they take bribe in Nigeria? Because their salary is nothing. Here in Europe, or go to America, Canada, police are not, what will you even bribe police with? Because they are well paid. Nigeria police are like, oh boy, forget our salary. We know what to do. More go do Roger. If they catch you with something, what thing that they do? Oga said to us, settle your boy. Police go to call himself boy to just ordinary person when nothing even eat. Because of bad leadership, because of poverty, because of bad government. And the problem when tire me pass for that Nigeria. If you raise tomorrow, now the police when not the fee even eat, when not they receive better salary. Now then they even suppress. Now they pay police well. Police will not be looking for bribe. Many accidents when they happen for Nigeria now because of police won't make sure say they block road, they extract money for person. Now they cause those idiot accidents in Nigeria. President, governor, chairman, I beg, I dey beg una. Now God I take beg una. You know where they do these videos? Now local government. One day I go enter this, I go carry my camera, I go video all the whole city here. I'll just say here not just local government, not state. And na even village, if I may put it that way. Everywhere fine. Everywhere fine. Why? Because these people get brain. They know they won't go put money for even the next state. No. They believe here in our house. We need to repair our house. All of us, they run come here. If we run come here, our face dry. when we come up for us. If we run come here with the fresh because of the comfort. If you see 50 years old man here now, you go to say 30 something years boy. Why? Because the environment is good. He's getting paid where where for the work. He can afford to buy things that is available here in this country. Government, they do subsidiary for everybody. One day, I go supermarket. I'll go record how they say different things for this country. I'll go to show you. I go call somebody in Nigeria, how much for egg? Make we do conversation. Even if we convert the euro, I'm not even telling you, say, if we convert it, our old year pass. I remember last year when people say ordinary albasa. People know the future farming. People know if they use the ordinary albasa take go. Government. Where this one will lead us to? This one will only lead us to having more criminal, more terrorism in Nigeria. Now, what in this one will create in Nigeria, which is not good. And at the end of the day, no hiding place for the wicked. Nigerians are so many now abroad. Even our children we are giving birth to, they are still Nigerians. Many people, there are so many souls that will raise us against you people tomorrow. Okay? That name, when Buhari and the idiot cabinet, APC and PDP, when difference not they forget this thing when they read for newspaper. One that they propose, stop them. Okay? Not be name go make us better. Now attitude. Now the implementation of good policies one are go implement. Now it go make us to be a better country. Now it go make things they work. See, if you go to Berlin now, you won't do Nigeria passport. You can't even do it. That is only African country that citizens will want their passport. They can't even get because of corruption. Because of corruption. Everywhere around the world, they tell you booklet finish. What is this Nigeria? What kind of government are we caused as a nation with the abundance of blessings that God bestowed on us as a nation? We are regressing instead of progressing. While other countries that were regressing way back, they are progressing. They are not progressing while we are regressing. Nigeria, please. Buhari, Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, and the rest minority like us, make we put hands together to repair Nigeria. If we don't feel repair, make we scatter a mere man, be papa name. Because as we bear one name, it not good. Nigeria bear just Nigeria, it not good. We won't come the be alphabetical name when you go come say, what thing you stand for? The name go come long, now so the problem go come long, now so corruption go come long. I beg. Now God I take back. Now God when create Africa, create Nigeria, now I take back. Not be only with the colonized now. Not be only with the colonized. I beg. Man, I see reason waiting as they talk here. Man, I reason now. Because I'm tired. I can't continue to be proud as a Nigerian. When things are not going well. When graduates are not getting jobs. When people are paying bribe to get into institution. When people are paying all sorts of bribe just to get certificate. At the end of the day, they end up jobless. If you go Nigeria now, people won't be graduate. Now they can't learn work because there is no job. Well, anyway, we will talk that in next video. Thank you all. Have a nice day.